Hello guys, I'm here. That was my new intro. Not very professional, right? And I'm here with a vlog, which is actually one of the categories. Wrong way around. I'm not a derp. Shut up. Okay, so yeah, as you saw, that was a bit of comedy by me. A professional, beautiful actor. Actually, I'm not actually that good. No. Yeah, so, some comedy in this, so, yeah, if you like that, please put that in the comments. And yeah, basically, I've got this app called Fun Sounds, as you can see it up there. Basically what it does some things like noises of things like this. Okay. And stuff like of my intro and yeah, stuff like that basically. And yeah, basically I would recommend that. I will put the name in the description, and I would really recommend you go and get that app if you're an up and coming YouTuber like me. And yeah, on Instagram, I will go check out my account. I will be soon giving a shout out to King Hobbs on Instagram. And yeah, basically this was just a short vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye. See ya.